Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope you had a sick Christmas. Anyway, I've got this bad boy. It's a Propel 74Z speeder bike. High performance battling drone. And it's a nightmare to open the box, but anyway. It's a box inside of a box. So the box is pretty, yeah? Pretty. So open this up. As you can see, box is God-like, there's a big here. Wax seal on the left, waxing on the right. On the front, as you can see, a stick-out speeder bike. Anyway, apparently there's a way to open it without breaking the air seal. You hold it like this. How good is that?
Move closer. Get alongside that one.
Apparently, every time you put it back in the box, put it in the right order, it will. But it says it will play a new song. And how you put it back is you have it. Here, back your drive, back your speeder bike meets up with here. Emergency turns off. Now, we should see. Let's see if it's true. We should get another one right now. Well, I think it's pretty sick. And then you pull the wax seals off, it seems. So got, as you can see, 2 wax seals. Wait! After we did, I'm going to put it together, and it goes up to 40 miles an hour. Hope you had a Merry Christmas. It's your boy Harry Fumes. You'll do nothing.